Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gray Matter channel. Today's topic is all about how to become an extrovert. Are you someone who finds it challenging to strike up conversations, attend social events, or be outgoing in social situations? If so, you're not alone. Many people identify as introverts, but that doesn't mean you can't develop the confidence and social skills to become more extroverted. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 practical steps that can help you become a more confident and outgoing individual. Whether you're naturally introverted or just looking to boost your social skills. These tips will provide you with actionable strategies to step out of your comfort zone and thrive in social settings. So, if you're ready to embrace your inner extrovert, let's dive in and learn how to become more confident, outgoing, and socially skilled. Step 1. Embrace your inner confidence. The first step in becoming an extrovert is to believe in yourself. Recognize your unique strengths and talents, and let them shine. Confidence is key to stepping out of your comfort zone and engaging in social situations. By acknowledging and embracing your inner confidence, you'll project a positive and self-assured image to others, which can help you become more outgoing and approachable. Step 2. Practice social skills. Social skills are like any other skill. They can be developed with practice. If you feel hesitant or anxious in social settings, it's essential to work on improving your social skills. Start small by striking up a conversation with a stranger or practicing your communication skills with friends or family. Practice active listening, ask open-ended questions, and make eye contact. These skills can help you build rapport, connect with others, and navigate social situations with ease. Step 3. Step out of your comfort zone. Breaking out of your comfort zone is crucial to becoming more extroverted. It can be intimidating, but pushing yourself to do things that make you uncomfortable is where growth happens. Start by attending social events, joining clubs or groups that align with your interests, or trying a new hobby that involves interacting with others. Stepping out of your comfort zone can help you build confidence, expand your social circle, and open up new opportunities for personal and social growth. Step 4. Be authentic. Authenticity is key to building meaningful relationships. It's important to be genuine and true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not to fit in or please others. Instead, focus on being your authentic self. Share your passions, interests, and quirks with others. People are naturally drawn to authenticity, and by being true to yourself, you'll attract like-minded individuals and create genuine connections. Step 5. Build your confidence. Confidence is a skill that can be developed over time. Start by setting small, achievable goals that align with your extroversion journey. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and be kind to yourself. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who encourage you to be your best self. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health can help boost your confidence and overall well-being. Step 6. Learn to listen. Being a good listener is an essential part of being extroverted. Practice active listening by giving your full attention to the person speaking. Avoid interrupting, show empathy, and ask follow-up questions. Listening not only helps you understand others better but also shows that you value and respect their opinions. It can build rapport and deepen connections with others, making social interactions more enjoyable and meaningful. Step 7. Be positive and enthusiastic. Positivity and enthusiasm are contagious. Cultivate a positive mindset and approach every situation with enthusiasm. Share your passions and hobbies with others. Being positive and enthusiastic can help attract like-minded individuals and create a fun, uplifting social environment. Becoming an extrovert isn't about completely changing who you are. It's about building the confidence and social skills necessary to be more outgoing and comfortable in social situations. Remember to embrace your inner confidence, practice your social skills, step out of your comfort zone. Be authentic, build your confidence, listen actively, and be positive and enthusiastic. With time and effort, you can become the extroverted, confident, and outgoing person you've always wanted to be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.